Just like you, I was once a student, and the truth is you can get really lazy to cook for yourself, especially when you're living on your own. During my first year in uni, I ate out almost every single day, and without realizing it, I started gaining weight. It wasn't until towards the end of my second year where I started to learn to cook for myself. And hey, I had no idea what I was doing. So it was really basic cooking, but that got me back on a healthier eating track. And in fact, that's how I got into fitness. So I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite student recipes which I still cook up until today because it is super easy with very little ingredients and you can prep them in under 15 minutes. First is jacket potato with tuna and melted cheese. The proper recipe calls for the potato to be baked. However, to speed up the process, we're going to use the microwave. Only 5 ingredients: 1 large potato washed, half a can of tuna chunks, 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and about 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs. In fact, if you are really lazy, you can use the first 3 ingredients. The first step is to prick the potato all over with a knife. Then cook the potato on full power in the microwave for 7 to 10 minutes. While the potato is cooking, mix the tuna chunks, yogurt, and herbs together. Then set it aside. After 10 minutes, remove the potato from the microwave and slice the potato on the top. Fill it up with the tuna mixture. And I'm going to top it up with a little bit of shredded cheese. Place it back in the microwave and cook very quickly for about 1.5 minutes just to melt the cheese. Dinner is ready and I'm serving mine with a side of salad. It is that simple and this is a balanced meal. You're getting the carbs from the potato, protein from the tuna, healthy fats from the cheese, and lots of vegetables. So one serving packs in about 337 calories, and this makes a very filling dinner or lunch. You can alternate the tuna with chicken breast, beef, baked beans, or any other protein of your choice. Try it out. The next student meal is white bean chicken soup. This is a one-pot dish, so it is as simple as dumping all the ingredients into a pot and allow them to cook. So for my recipe, I'm using 1 can of white beans, rinsed and drained, 1 chicken breast, 2 onions, 4 celery stalks, 1 carrot, 1 tomato, about 4 cups of chicken stock, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and salt and pepper to taste. So start by prepping all your ingredients. Chop up all the vegetables. The next step is to simply fill up a pot with chicken stock and add in all your ingredients. So I'm seasoning mine with a little bit of mixed herbs and also salt and pepper. Now allow all the ingredients to cook under medium heat for 15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and vegetables are tender. Serve warm. What I love about this recipe is that you can use different meats or beans and pick your favorite vegetables. And it is a one-pot dish that is packed with nutrients. Plus, you will have less washing to do. So each serving has about 343 calories. I like to cook this recipe in bulk and store the extra in the fridge and warm them up the next day. And they will taste even better. My final favorite is black beans salsa wrap. This recipe does not require any cooking. So if your accommodation doesn't allow you to cook, you can try this out. The ingredients you'll need are 1 can of black beans, 1 can of corn, 1 red bell pepper chopped, 3 tablespoons of salsa sauce, 3 tablespoons of cheese, 2 cups of spinach, half a teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 4 whole grain wraps. In a bowl, simply combine the beans, corn, bell pepper, salsa sauce, and season with mixed herbs. Now let's assemble it. Arrange a handful of spinach, then spoon the bean mixture onto the wrap, and I'm going to top mine with a little bit of shredded cheese. Roll it up. If you're a vegan, you can simply omit the cheese, and to pack more vegetables into your meal, serve it with a side of salad. So this is a perfect lunch to go, and I used to take this to uni with me. Each serving has under 300 calories. You can even swap the wrap for pita bread or lettuce leaves. So these are some of my favorite lazy student meals. What are yours? Let me know in the comments below. I hope this video will encourage you to start to eat better. Don't be like me when I was a student, okay? Start to learn to look after yourself and your body will thank you long term. Be sure to like this video, share this video on, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for a lot more easy, lazy, healthy recipes. fitness videos and also fitness tips. All the best and start cooking!